Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can delete your download history permanently in the Microsoft web browser, for instance, on your PC or laptop. So let us get started right away now, shall we? And don't forget to leave a like, of course. So what you want to do is launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, and here on your home screen, simply click on these three dots in the top right corner. And from the drop-down menu, guys, select delete browsing data, or alternatively use the shortcut Control-Shift-Delete. That is going to open up that window here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply go through these categories and make sure that download history is turned on. So simply select the checkbox here to the left if you haven't done that yet, and unselect the remaining features or keep them turned on. It's totally up to you depending on which of these features you would like to delete. So let me go with the download history, and to confirm, simply click on clear now. And that's basically it. Microsoft Edge will then automatically delete your entire browsing history with one click of your mouse. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.